Hello guys, and today I'm going to show the comparison between the HP Pavilion 15 and the Acer Nitro 5. So without any further ado, let's get started. The HP Pavilion 15 and the Acer Nitro 5 are two mid-range laptops that come in at $700 and are probably the best two options for gaming that you can buy at this price. Both the laptops have received updates recently and come with updated designs and specs. This video is meant to give you an idea of which laptop is better for its price and which one will be the better option for you. In this video, we'll be comparing the two laptops in their build quality and design, display quality, performance, and finally their battery life. So first off, comparing the build quality on both, they are very different from each other in their design choices, even though they both have a very gaming oriented look. The design and build quality of the HP Pavilion is some of the best on a gaming laptop in my opinion. The laptop is made of a combination of metal and plastic and has a very angular gaming look to it with sharp edges and a matte textured finish to complete the look. It comes in black with gold accents on the logo and red colored RGB, so it isn't very subtle at all. Overall, it gives off this very unique look that is quite nice to look at. Another great thing is that the laptop isn't even thick or heavy at all when comparing it to other gaming laptops, and it is very much manageable. In comparison, the Acer Nitro 5 has a design that is subtle but still has the gaming touch to it. It has a black plastic body that is surrounded by red aluminum accents that is a bit overdone by this point, but it doesn't look bad. Most of the lid and the laptop otherwise is fully matte, and the back has a glossy black Acer logo as the only branding outside. The most colorful piece on this laptop is the red hinge surrounding the grills, and that is it as far as the gaming look goes on the outside. The inside is a combination of red and black for some models, and for the RGB variants, you can change the backlight as you like. The side bezels are small, but the top and bottom are still thick, but it does make it smaller than most gaming laptops. In terms of weight and size, the laptop is average at 2.4 kilos and 23 millimeters of thickness. Overall, build quality is solid as it does not bend or flex, but the design still feels a bit dated. In conclusion, build quality wise, they are similar, but in terms of looks, the HP Pavilion 15 definitely looks much sleeker and more stylish when compared to the Nitro 5, and that is why it is going to win in this category. The displays on both laptops are similar in specs but have a different approach towards colors. The HP Pavilion 15 has a very crisp and vibrant 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, and it is one of the better panels on a gaming laptop. Colors, contrast and sharpness are all great, and the viewing angles are also above average, with it not getting much faded even when viewing from an extreme angle. Even at 60Hz, this display is decent to game on, and video watching and media consumption is a good experience, with editing being doable if you can get on with a more vibrant look. The Acer Nitro 5 has a much more bland and true to life picture, and it also comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. The display has decent viewing angles, much less vibrant colors and contrast, and good sharpness. This panel should be slightly better in terms of editing when compared to the HP, but when it comes to regular use and playing games, it is much worse, especially when putting them side by side. So for this category, you can pick your win about whatever you prefer more, that is if you want more accurate colors or a more vibrant one, but personally for a laptop like this, I would go for the HP Pavilion just because it generally looks much better. Performance is probably the most important aspect for a gaming laptop, and here there is a big difference in processing power. The HP Pavilion 15 comes with the AMD Ryzen 5 4600H CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB NVMe SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650. For $700, these are pretty good specs, and the AMD Ryzen 5 processor is especially impressive as it is capable of playing any game and edit at 1080p without having major lags and stutters. In comparison, the Acer Nitro 5 has very similar specs with the exception of the CPU, and it includes an Intel Core i5-9300H CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650. Almost every spec is similar on both with the exception of the CPU, and the Acer Nitro 5's Intel Core i5 9th Gen is a worse performing CPU when compared to the HP's AMD Ryzen 5. In games and such, you won't notice that much of a difference, but when it comes to editing, the Intel one not only had much worse render times, but in general, it didn't feel as quick and smooth as the AMD Ryzen did. Still though, most games are playable on both of these, and you shouldn't have much problem doing most regular tasks on these. Even thermals are great on both, and they stay cool and quiet. You don't see both of these thermal throttle and have performance loss due to the thermals, and overall, even while playing games, you shouldn't be worried about the thermals on both laptops. So with that said, I think the HP Pavilion wins in the performance department because of the better processor. Battery life is the aspect where there is the most amount of difference. The Acer Nitro 5 might have some of the best battery life on a gaming laptop out right now at 10 to 11 hours of medium usage and video watching, which may even beat some ultrabook options. In contrast, the HP Pavilion has only decent battery life at around 5 to 6 hours of medium use, which is right about average at this price. So this round is an easy win for the Acer Nitro 5, and it is easily the best choice for battery life by a huge margin. So the final verdict for this comparison is that both the HP Pavilion 15 and the Acer Nitro 5 are great gaming laptops at this price and offer really good value. In most of the categories, the HP Pavilion wins by small margins, but in the battery life department, the Acer Nitro 5 wins by a landslide. Therefore, if you just want an overall good laptop that doesn't have many weak points, the HP Pavilion 15 is the better option, and if battery life is a concern, then getting the Acer Nitro 5 would clearly be the better choice. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.